like uncontrollable. Wow, this thing's just flipping.
Guys, no way. I lost, oh, nope, there's the other hex nut, but it's like melted in there. So I just lost that other wheel, that's why I was kind of revving. Oh, that's ugly, look at that. Look at this, guys, rounded. But the back one's definitely good. This one, I think I didn't tighten down all the way. Yeah, guys, so there it is. And of course, we lost both tires today somehow. This one still has a nut in it. There's the other one. So unfortunately, we couldn't get to the little loop-de-doo like you saw in last video. I was really hoping to see the LST on it. I'm gonna have to make this quick, everyone. It is raining. That's what all the spots are on the ground right now. So I'd just like to thank you all for watching. Stay tuned for more. The LST will be back. Now I gotta get cleaned up and dry it off because it is raining. So, yep, that's it from Haywire RC, everyone. Thank you and like the video. I'll see you later, everyone.